Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hemlock and Oak that I use as my everyday planner. And this week I am actually using this, Hobonichi kit, the Scarlet kit from Let's Plan It. And I'm going to combine it with some of the dahlias from According to Alex. I think those flowers are gorgeous, and possibly use some peonies as well. We'll see how much room I've got. And then there's also this deco sheet here, and then maybe some of this Simply Gilded washi. Let's get started. Okay, one of the things that I have already loved about this particular kit is the gorgeous florals, that it feels like fall, but not so obviously fall, if that makes sense. And this kit is made for the Hobonichi. One of the things about the Hemlock and Oak that I like is I feel like I can use either or. I can use a kit from a Hobonichi kit, or I can use a vertical kit. You can use either or in here, and that's what I love about that. Now with the Hobonichi kit, it is going to be slightly smaller, and I'm going to show you once I put these stickers down. You can immediately tell that it is smaller because of the washi. And the way that I'm going to do this, because there's this black washi or gray washi as well, I'm going to combine the two. I could use the date covers, but I'm not really the date. Like, the date covers are pretty. I could use them, but then it's just too much, I think, at the top for me. And then this washi would end up being used like all the way down here. If I was possibly using like the actual Hobonichi that I have, then I may use the date covers, or I could use that in a daily spread. But with the Hemlock and Oak, because the dates at the top are quite small, I don't want to go over that, but I like this effect. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So you can see the difference in sizing between what a Hobonichi would be versus the Hemlock and Oak. And then on this side, I'm going to do it the other way around. But I feel like the Hemlock and Oak, this planner, has kind of been like my transition to the Hobonichi. I love the Hemlock and Oak, and it's been such a great planner for me because, let's turn this around, I never do this. It's been a great planner for me because I've loved the layout of it, the hourly vertical. The paper has been lovely. The way that it lays flat is lovely, and I love that it's from a Canadian planner. But in terms of my planner needs, I really want to have the daily pages of a journal that the cousin has. So at the end of the day, I'm going to go back to that. Well, not back to that, but to that. Okay, so then you can definitely see the difference between the size of a Hobonichi and the Hemlock and Oak in terms of its washi. Now there are 5 stickers here. There's a Hello Autumn, but I don't want to use it because it's not autumn yet. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 here are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 columns, 5 of these. We'll make it work. So I'll put, actually, why is this so hard, Karina? It shouldn't be that hard. And if you guys can hear Henry in the background, he's singing. 1, 2, 3. What I'm going to do is maybe take one of these peonies from According to Allie. And I do want to combine it with the boxes. I think the boxes are gorgeous. And I want to find a way to kind of combine. So I think what I'm going to do, scissors, is cut this here. And place that down. And I don't know who ever wonders this, but like my transition from a book bound to, or from a disc bound to a book bound hasn't been, you know, that difficult. It's actually been, I've really enjoyed this transition. And I think it's because, the reason that I've enjoyed the transition is because we'll just do this. I just feel like it's a little, okay. Okay. I don't know why it feels off to me, but actually I like that. And then maybe add a little bit of the gray. But yeah, one of the reasons why this transition I think has been so good for me, going from a disc bound to the book bound, is I just like having everything in one place. And it's not bulky. I mean, once I do, like, you know, you can tell the bulk there because of the stickers, but in general, it's not going to be as bulky as a disc bound planner or a ring bound planner. It's going to be pretty, I think, well spread out. Now, I just want to see if I leave myself enough room here. Where's my pen? So if I do the here, oh yeah, I have room. So I have 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and I can certainly put this down here, or just go with a big peony in the corner. But again, just making sure that I do have enough room, and I do. I will have to have that set upside down. It was. I'm gonna have to cut off a part of it again, which I do not mind. Probably just like so. And cut off the excess there. I hate wasting any part of the stickers, so I will be keeping that part there for now. Then I'm going to add this yellow, layer that with this, and I'm going to cut this. Just need a little bit of it. I don't need a huge piece. Oh, love that combination together. So then I'm going to place the other boxes, the rest of 1, 2, 3, 4. There, and then you can see how it fits in here. So it kind of fits in the hourly, and you don't actually get the hours blocked off here, which is actually quite nice. And then Friday. And I love Brittany's kits from Let's Planet. They're stunning. And here. Like, I love how much I've used of this kit already, but then there's all of this as well. And how do I want to use these? I think with the tracking, I'll put this here for, yeah, I'll put the tracking down here for being able to do my workout. So I'm going to zoom in and then speed through that. I actually really love the look of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw in the line and add in breakfast, lunches, and dinners down here, and then I'm going to go in and fill in each day. And the tombos that I'm using are the 757 and the 912, and then I am using, where is it? Just the gray mild liner as well. Oops, no, I want the other end. So one of the things that's also going to change when I do start to use the Hobonichi is that my meal planning or my food tracking is going to go in the daily pages. Or not, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm just excited to be able to try out a different layout. I do plan on using Hemlock and Oak until the end of 2021, and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. So, where's the, oh, no. Do you guys do that too, where you take the lid off and then forget where you put it? And then I'm going to add in the steps and breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm gonna go zoom in and then do each day going forward. So the first thing that I do on Monday is take this icon down for 8:30 on Monday for an intro meeting. And then I take this Tombow brush pen to highlight when I start work at 10 and then just outline the actual time that I have to work and then when I have to pick up my kids. And I also take this cute chiropractor sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. for a physio appointment. And then the thing I love about this kit from Let's Plan It are those to-do stickers, and I love the script and the text in them. But basically, my days of the week look pretty similar for outlining work, for having a to-do list in the evening, and when I have to pick up the kids. So it's pretty simple for me to be able to lay out my hourly structure in here. It's just a matter of choosing which color box that I'm going to use, which color icon I'm going to use. But then come Thursday, there is a difference in schedule. Kids have to be picked up early and Robin has an appointment. So I take one of these boxes and turn it on its side with the appointment script and write down Robin's appointment and then write in that I have to work the rest of the afternoon. And then my usual pattern of putting a to-do box at the bottom. Same with Friday, but now there is a full box. So I actually just draw the arrow around the full box and then choose a Let's Plan sticker and write down which videos I have to film. And then moving on to Saturday, using a full box because I do have a massage with this a Coffee Monsters Co. chiropractor emoji, and then Robin's horseback riding lesson, and then turning a box on its side with the laundry script and a laundry emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. because we got to make laundry amusing, right? And then lastly on Sunday, the cleaning. All right, I started talking before I started recording, so I'm glad I remembered to do that. Okay, so I think there's possibility of adding this here. Wait, before I do that, I have a leftover floral that I can certainly put somewhere. I feel like with everything here, I don't want to overload it because I've left a lot of space for, you know, stuff to happen. But I'm going to put the other part of this gorgeous dahlia from According to Allie. And I'm going to leave it as is. And then once it gets filled in, I actually really do love the way that it looks. All right, so I've got those script stickers left. I've got this that I can use in my horizontal planner and all of these. There's a lot of functional. I think with the Hobonichi kit, there is a lot of functional that I could possibly use in like dailies once I do have them. But yeah, we'll see. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.